Hello there guys, welcome to iGeekz.in, and today we have the Dell KB212 USB Business Keyboard. So without any further delay, let's get straight to the unboxing. The box feels pretty light in weight. At the back, you can see some features written such as good tactile feel, sturdy, etc. etc. I got this keyboard for around 400 rupees, which sums up to approximately $6. Just cut through the seal and you are good to go. On opening the box, we can see the keyboard itself along with a small instruction sheet. The keyboard is pretty light in weight and is sturdy. There are height adjusting stands at the back as well. The typing is very smooth with a good key space. The keyboard might be a good choice for those quick typers whose budget is low. At this price, the Dell KB212 is a great device and we really recommend it if you want a typing device for everyday use. So thank you guys for watching this video and make sure that you hit the subscribe button below. This is Ishita for iGeekz.in. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more.